So today I'm trying something I've never done on my relaxed hair before. African threading. I've been seeing a lot of natural queens doing this African threading to straighten their hair. And I even got either comment or email to if I've tried the African threading to stretch my hair. So baby girl is going to be trying that out today. If this is your first time coming across this channel, you're welcome to the channel. My name is Alice and I share content on hair care, DIY hairstyles, and many more. So kindly join the family by subscribing, giving the video a big thumbs up if you like it. Subscribe if you are yet to, and share the videos to anyone that will be interested in content like this. So this is my hair already parted. I actually wanted to do this African threading myself, but my mom decided to help me out. Plus, the hair I have like 7 months new growth already, so it was really difficult to part it, and I had my mom help me out to style this. It was a lot. Like the popular and common thing we know about this African threading is the pain. It's usually very painful. It is too tight, especially some people hands are very tight and painful when it comes to this hairstyle. And for we here in Nigeria, we call this hairstyle Kiko. So the moment you tell anybody here Kiko, the first thing that comes to their mind is pain, because this hairstyle is very painful. Because I've done this when I was way younger, and then my hair was not relaxed. So that's why I'm saying that this is something I've not tried on my relaxed hair. So I decided to try this out to see if it's going to stretch my hair, especially that new growth that I have, since I already have like about 7 months new growth. But anyways, this is the process. My amazing mother helping this baby girl. You guys trust me, this hair is very stressful, and let's not talk about the pain that you're making the hair will feel, but the stylist that is doing it, it is really painful. Like it's a lot of hand work, like the spiraling it, rolling it here and there. That thing is very painful. At some point my mom was like, oh my god, who asked me to do this hairstyle? Because this was not the actual style she wanted to do for me, but I told her that this is what I want to do, because I want to give my audience what they want. Yes, because it's been a very long time that I've been talking about this African threading. So I told her that I must do this hairstyle for my amazing YouTube family. So you guys should applaud me for that. If you got to this part of the video, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you're yet to. Share the video to anyone that will be interested in content like this. And yeah, so baby girl is going to be carrying this for 7 days before I take it down, so that it will stretch the hair very well. But what do you guys think? Because me, I'm going to take it for 7 days. And I used to see some people do this stretching. They used to give space and make it loose. I don't know, but this is what I'll be trying. This is how my own is, yeah. And let me let you guys know that this was not painful at all, because we all know this one is 90% of people know that when it comes to African threading, it's singing pain, pain, pain. But my mom was very, very gentle, and she made sure that the part she's starting from is not too tight, because she was even scared for me when she was parting there because of the new growth. She was scared for me, and she was very, very careful. You know how mothers can be now. So she made sure that the she didn't make it tight. As you guys can see from the video, you can see the my edges as is looking all right. Unlike some hairstylists that they will make your hair and you'll not be able to turn your neck, you'll be looking like you get what I mean. Shall look at the length of this hair, you guys. This thing is really stretching, but we are going to find out when I take down the African threading. So I'm going to see you guys in my next video, where I'll be unveiling the final part of the takedown. So this is just styling it so that I'll not be looking like one village girl. So my mom styled it for me like this. I saw this inspo on TikTok, yeah. So this is the style. Yeah, in the next 7 days I'm going to come back to show you guys if it actually stretched my hair or not, and if I experience any breakage or not, or anything. You guys are going to be seeing that in the next video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. For now, bye.